How to download music on Spotify? First, you need to download and install updated version of Spotify app and tap open button to access Spotify. Now you need to sign into your account if you haven't already, tapping on login button. Here you got the different ways, choose any one of those. After signing in, you need to search for the song you want to download. So you can easily go ahead and select your library and then choose any song from your library if you have created your playlist. On your playlist, you will find the three dots. Simply select that, and from this list, you need to select the download button if you have got. So, you need to know that if you are the premium user on Spotify, then only you will get the option to download the song and listen offline. Otherwise, you won't have that feature. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.